Regarding the Heiken Ashi Expert Advisor, this is what happened today and yesterday. I'm on the British pound Swiss crown chart, and the settings of the Expert Advisor are this. I'm trading all day, all night, 24/7. Feel free to pause and read the settings. I'm not using the LOTSIZE management. This is something I forgot to set because I usually use it. Anyway, regarding the Expert Advisor functionality and the logic, I am using the trend detector of because I'm playing with the trend on M15, 15 minutes. So I want to match the trend on the 1 month chart. And these are the settings for the Heiken Ashi Smooth It, and also on the 1 day chart. And these are the settings for the 1 day. And the settings for the Heiken Ashi on the current chart that I'm trading N15 are this right here, basically the smoothed Heiken Ashi. And this is the swing zone bars that I'm using for the M15. 40 bars. It's also on the chart. You can see here swing zone, pips away from last swing. I'm not martingale. And finally, the trailing settings. I'm using Heiken Ashi also. Again, Heiken Ashi does everything here. Heiken Ashi to trail the price and close the open trades, when in profit, of course, with a buffer of 30 pips away from the open close of the Heiken Ashi candle, depending on the chart and the price. And this is about it. Now, this is what happened. Short explanation. I was trading with the trend. This is the trend on the this is an indicator that is not needed, doesn't need to be attached on the chart. You'd probably know this if you have watched the video about the settings and visited our website. So this is the 1 month chart indicator showing the Heiken Ashi on the 1 month chart. It shows an uptrend, and then on 1 day it's also an uptrend. And by the way, the one attached on the chart, it's the current chart, current time frame. So going back to M15, this is the one that determines the entries and the exits of the trades. So we have one trade here. The Heiken Ashi changed color from down into up, from red into green. So the Expert Advisor opened the trade right here. The stop loss was, I forgot already. I forgot my settings. The stop loss was 50 pips. All right. I'm using a take profit of 150, but it is usually never reached, because the Expert Advisor closes the trades when the Heiken Ashi changes the color back. But it's good to be there. So this is one trade open right here. The price dropped, but not 50 pips, not enough to close to trigger the stop loss. So the Expert Advisor triggered another trade right here. This one was ignored, most likely due to the swing zone confirmation that wasn't achieved. So eventually I had 2 open trades that both closed when the trades were in profit right here, and the Heiken Ashi trailing stop triggered this. Basically, when the candles changed color, Heiken Ashi changed from green into red. And I'm also using on the Heiken Ashi charts the zigzag indicator, because I do want to see some candles highs and lows. I don't like to see them like this. It makes the chart look too crowded. So I just hide the candles altogether and just let me show you the settings. The zigzag with these values. Excuse me. The zigzag indicator with these values, it's perfect to show the high and the very close higher highs and lower lows that the price will make. And this is what happened on the GBP CHF chart. I'm going to the Euro chart and British pound chart. I have only one trade, happens right here. And again, here it was the moment where we had a downtrend on the 1 month chart, and also a downtrend. I'm using the same settings, by the way, and also a downtrend on the daily chart. You can see it here. The daily chart's been in an uptrend. This is the daily on the top, the indicator. This is the one at the bottom is the monthly chart. And finally, the enter was right here. Again, I had the stop loss 50 pips far from the high of this the price made, and eventually the trade closed right here when the candles changed color from red into green again. So that was 37 pips, something like that. The other two were 17 and 42, and this is it. Thank you for watching.